everyone. So this is the demonstration of the Harsha Rakesh chatbot, website chatbot as per our last conversation over the call. So I have made the changes whatever you have requested. So I'll just go ahead and demonstrate all step by step for your reference. So this is the chatbot, and imagine this would be your website. And so I'll click on open this, and it greets me with hi, welcome to Harsha Salon. How can I help you today? Okay, it has quick actions buttons, book appointment, view services, timings, location, talk to team. So one by one I will go through. First I will go for the book appointment. So it says me absolutely you can book your appointment online. Please use the book online button below and choose your preferred service branch and time. So if I click on book online, it redirects me to the Zenoti booking link, which you already have and suggested me to configure that accordingly. So it is redirecting me. So the button is working fine. And then it has WhatsApp. If I click on that, it will directly redirect me to the WhatsApp of your salon. And if I click on call, it will ask me to open the dialer. So all the buttons are working fine in this. Then I'll go ahead for the view services. So here it has shown me like Harsha Rakesh Salon offers a wide service menu across where like hair 102 services, skin 19 services, all the counts it is telling me piercing, tattoo, and also it suggests me like you can ask me for specific category or concern, for example hair color price, haircut, keratin treatment, D10 and T10, facial, nails, bridal makeup, laser hair detection. I'll show the matching services and prices inside the chat. So if I just for the reference, so what I can do is like I'll just copy one of those, and like I'll just paste it over there. And for example I want the pricing for this, so it will give me here are the services I found for keratin treatment, hair treatments like keratin, smoothening, botox, and Sustain and QOD are usually chosen to manage frizz, improve smoothness, and make styling easier. The best option depends on hair texture and conditions. And keratin treatment, short hair 8,000 onwards. Hair treatments, man for man, these are. And then for the QOD treatment, all the pricing for the female, for the men hair rituals, for highlights, man, for women scalp treatment, all the services with all the details it shows me here. And if I click on the menu, I can also see some specific services like hair services. I want to see only the skin services. I only want to see the nails. I only want to see the makeup and advanced. And then I can have the book appointment and all those. Like if I, for example, if I click on this, it will show me all the hair services for men, women, whatever is available. And if I click on menu, it will open this menu, or I can do from here also. So I kept both because people might get confused, so they should not get confused. So this way also I can open this menu, and I if I click on the menu it will open me, and then I can go to the to the main menu where the services which was I was walking through, and then I will go for the timings. So we are open every day, hours 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., days all 7 days, including public holidays. And then for the location, it shows me Lokhandwala. So it says me like please select the branch you want to navigate to. Choose your preferred branch below. Lokhandwala and Malad have multiple options. Tap to expand. So if I click on this Lokhandwala, it shows me three options, whatever the branches you have in Lokhandwala, and in the Malad also the same, and for others the same thing. So if I click on each of them, it redirects me to the each respective branches. And then comes to the talk to the team, and here are the options. You can reach out the Harsha Rakesh Salon team here call, and email and website. The team is available from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. Now here comes, these are all kind of like automations. Now here comes the picture for, for the AI. So I'll just ask him random questions, like I'll not provide anything. So I'll ask him like explain me. So it might get confused. It should not get confused. It should ask me like, okay, how may I help you? Like what do you need actually? So I can help you with Harsha services, appointments, timings, location, and contact details. Please tell me what you are looking for and I'll guide you. So uh, explain me the benefits, and few spelling mistakes also I will do so that it must get the exact details. Explain me the benefits of doing, like D10 on my face. It says I don't know like what it is, having some issues with the connection, I guess. Yeah, it was. Yeah, so it gave me detent treatments gently remove sun-induced pigmentation, revealing brighter, more even-toned skin. They help reduce dullness, fade dark spots, and improve overall complexion, leaving your face looking refreshed and radiant. Regular sessions also enhance the absorption of skincare products, maximizing the effectiveness. And I will just clarify one more thing here. When I have for the first time when I gave, the AI was a bit lazy and it just wanted, like to omit, like, okay, I can help you in like to schedule the bookings and I'll guide you accordingly. And it will be sometimes lazy because of we are using for now testing, we are using the API of a free test environment, a LLM. So when we will send to the production ready one, this will be much more, better responses it will give, and it will be much more intelligent than the production than the testing one. So but it gives the handsome amount of, whatever the responses we want, and it clarifies all my questions. And I will suggest, like, like what customers, normal users might ask, kind of like, okay, I want to know, okay, like, okay, or suggest me best time to visit salon, at which time there there will be less rush. So I'll ask him like these are the things, questions people might ask, like because they don't want to. So for a more relaxed experience with less rush, we recommend visiting us on weekdays between 9 a.m. to and 12 p.m. You can also contact us at this to check real-time availability and book an appointment. So it gives me a suggestion also, like, yeah, at morning times it will be like usually the rush might be less, so I can visit at that time. So these are the few, questions like the end users might, the clients might realistically ask these all things. So it is giving the handsome responses to. And here this ends my demo. And any questions, anything you want to ask, or any changes you want to make, you can just let us know, and we will make the changes accordingly. And if this is working for you and you feel like, okay, this is nice and we do not have anything more extra to make any changes, then yeah, we can join the, today's call and at 12 p.m., and we can have discussion further about it. So thank you for now. Bye bye.